Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Cafe Bagheri. Well, it's almost summertime, and yesterday was Memorial Day. We honored our fallen heroes and veterans yesterday and thanked them for service and sacrifice. Today, I'm starting to think about barbecue and my favorite activity in the summertime. So one of the things, like many of you, that I've made a lot and I enjoy with barbecued meats is the poppers, jalapeno poppers. Well, these babies are Texas Twinkies. And a place up in McKinney, Texas, named Hutchens BBQ came up with these. I learned about them thanks to an article in Texas Monthly. And I'm going to put a Cafe Bagheri touch on these guys and kick them up a notch and make Cafe Bagheri's Texas Twinkies, right? If you come back in a few seconds, we're gonna make some of these together and I'm gonna show you how to do it and give you the recipe. So come back right quick and let's make some Texas Twinkies Cafe Bagheri style, shall we? What do you have in there, Michael?
Texas Twinkie.
Thank you. What did you just have?
Texas Twinkie.
Oh, how's that? Is that good?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
It was good.
It was good.
There you go, G.
Here's your Texas Twinkie.
What is that?
It's a Texas Twinkie.
Here's a Texas Twinkie. This is how you eat them. Look at that. Awesome. Okay, so let's slice up another one of these babies. Oh, look at that. Look at that. All that cheese, brisket, bacon. Oh, yum. Okay, guys, let's make some Texas Twinkies, shall we? The first thing you need, obviously, is the biggest jalapenos you can find. Just pick them out from the pile of jalapenos in your local market. They'll let you do that. So you bring them home, cut them right open. You need to scrape out the seeds and membranes for two reasons. One, because that's where all the heat and spiciness is. You need to remove that. And two, because you need to make room for all the stuffing that goes in the pepper. Remove the seeds and membranes. Now, once you've done that, we need to get all them peppers in hot water. And we do that because we want to reduce some of the spiciness. You heat up some water and sugar and get it to boiling point, dump your peppers in there. Believe it or not, boiling water can reduce the heat of your jalapenos up to 80%. So if you like the flavor of jalapenos but not the crazy heat, this is a good way to reduce that. You boil them for 3 to 4 minutes and then you dump the water. Yeah, drain all the hot water and then run cold water over it immediately. That will stop the cooking process and make sure that your peppers remain a little crunchy. You don't want them to go too far. And then shake off all the water and let the water drain out. Once you did that, then it's time to mix your cheeses for the filling. I use a mix of Philadelphia cream cheese, Persian sheep feta, the salty kind, and some shredded cheddar. So you can use your whatever mix of cheeses you like, experiment and see what you like. That's the feta, the cream cheese, and shredded cheddar. To that also I add some of the salty brine from the Persian feta. It kicks up the salty flavor a little bit and helps the mixture get smoother. You want a creamy consistency. To that you can add your fresh ground pepper, any chopped herbs like thyme and rosemary or whatever else you like. Experiment again and see what you like. Now the recipe for this mix with all the recipes from this film is under your video and or in comments under YouTube video or Facebook or wherever you're watching this. Make sure you get the creamy consistency. Next we're going to slice our smoked brisket to size so they'll fit inside of your peppers. That's Cafe Bagheri smoked brisket. I chill it so it can be sliced easier, and then you slice it to size. What makes Texas Twinkies, this version Cafe Bagheri special, is adding a layer of thin sliced turkey, ham, or even chicken. I use thin sliced smoked turkey. Now, that layer of turkey is added inside of the pepper, and then we add about a 1/2 to 3/4 tablespoon of the cheese mixture. Use a knife or a small spoon to spread it inside of the pepper against the layer of turkey. Now that's ready for the piece of smoked brisket to be pushed in. Now your pepper is stuffed. That opening on the top of that pepper, you can add more cheese. I have some shredded cheddar left, so I just fill it in, and that completes your pepper and the stuffing. Next comes the fun, yummy part, bacon. So each one of these peppers needs about a 1.5 slices of medium to thick cut bacon. You just wrap it around as so, and then secure it with a toothpick. Now make sure you use the same number of toothpicks for each pepper, because when you remove them after you're done cooking, you want to count them and make sure you remove all the toothpicks. You don't want any accidents with your guests' mouth and teeth. They're dangerous. Next, we smoke the Twinkies out back in the smoker. I smoke these guys for about 40 to 45 minutes at 225 or 230 degrees Fahrenheit, just long enough to give them a nice smoky flavor. At this point, you can chill them and store them up to 3-4 days before your party, or you can grill them right away. If you keep them for a few days, let them come back to room temperature and then grill them. It's about a few minutes on each side on your charcoal or gas grill, and then you can basically, towards the end, apply your favorite barbecue sauce on both sides, and they're ready to be enjoyed. You serve one to each guest so they can share, or you can chill them again and then slice them as we do in Cafe Bagheri and make our house special Texas sushi platter. Look at that. You can serve it with your favorite barbecue sauce or aioli or whatever dipping sauce you like. That was easy, wasn't it? Texas Twinkie, Cafe Bagheri style. Get out there this summer, make some Texas Twinkies. Let me know how it turned out. Send me pictures. I like to see the pictures. So please subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends and family on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, what have you. And come back and see me very soon. But first of all, let's try some Texas Twinkies, shall we? Look at this. Isn't this a work of beauty? Oh, gosh. Check this out. That's your brisket, your cheeses, your turkey, jalapeno, bacon. Shall I? May I? Wonderful. Want some? Come on. Try some. Want some? No? Okay. See you next time.